Hi friends, look at that food. Omena, ugali, and sukuma wiki. Omena is very high in protein and also other important nutrients. But most of us will not cook omena. Why? It's bitter taste and also the smell. You can get rid of the bitter taste by boiling your omena, especially if it's fresh. Boil it for at least 4 minutes. And if it's already deep fried, then you can add some cream. For the smell, use a slice of lemon when you go to go. I know most of you are seeing carrots right now and they're like, what? Carrots on omena? Not me. But I promise you, this is a secret. It makes the omena yummy. You will not fail to put carrots ever again. Just make sure that you grate them so that as you fry the tomatoes, the onions, everything just crushes properly. Please follow through the entire video and learn so that next time you don't pass by the omena, pick it, go and cook for your family and enjoy the awesome meal. I want to say thank you because you have really supported me. So far we are at 400 subscribers and I am so grateful. If you're watching this right now and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? You need to subscribe so that from my experiences you learn and you get enlightened. And it's not only on food, it's about life generally. Anything that I experience, anything that I learned from my friends, from family, I'll share it here so that we get enlightened. Feel free to share this video, like it, give it a thumbs up too. It goes a long way. Look at that. Can you even see the carrots? So try it out. Let me know how it works for you. Let me know how it came out also. Until the next one, guys. Bye.